Today we will be taking a look at how a typical employee would be able to use the employee self-service functionality on a day-to-day basis. The system will allow you to not only track time and PTO requests, but it will also allow for electronic open enrollment, and it will store all historical pay statements and W-2s as well. That being said, let's take a look at how to use the employee self-service portal. I'm logged in as our employee Josh, and he can access all of his employee self-service functionality from the My Account menu option located here at the top of the screen. He also has a dashboard screen enabled, which can be configured to display the items that an employee needs to access most frequently. In this case, the dashboard has been set up to display his employee self-service functionality. The employee's weekly schedule can be displayed here on the top of the dashboard for a quick reference as to when the employee is scheduled to work. The Quick Links section allows an employee to navigate through the system using the hyperlinks listed here. The Quick Links can direct us right to the employee's timesheet. This is one of 10 different timesheet formats that we have available, so there are several options with regard to how an employee would be able to enter in their time. In addition to web punches, we can also work with a variety of different hardware devices, which range from simple swipe devices to biometric devices. Also, employees can collect punches using their mobile device. Not only can employees clock in and out, but they also have the ability to leave notes or track expenses from their timesheet as well. Using the quick links, we can also be directed to the Time Off Request tool. This is where an employee can request time off, view their time off balances, and also view or make edits to any recent requests. At open enrollment time, they also have the ability to enroll in their benefits electronically. Each tab can be configured to represent the different benefit plans being offered. For each benefit, we can opt to waive the coverage, or we can drill down into each benefit plan to review the plan features such as the premiums, the copays, and the deductibles. Once a decision has been reached, they can then make a selection, and the same process will apply to the other benefit plans. Once an employee has selected all of the coverage that they would like, they can then confirm their selections by using their electronic signature. If the employee would like to view any of their historical pay statements or their W-2s, they can do that as well. Let's take a look at an example of a historical pay statement. Here we can see the pay stub that will display all of their earnings, their deductions, taxes being withheld, as well as their timesheet information and their accrual balances. He also has the option of downloading a PDF version of his pay statement. Now let's say he needs to make a change to his direct deposit. He can access his direct deposit change form from the menu option up above. Here he can change his current bank account, he can add a new bank account, or he can reserve a new live check. Once submitted, this will go through an approval process and will be updated in the system based on the desired effective date. Back on the dashboard, you will notice that you can also display hyperlinks or external links in a widget which will direct employees to an external site. In this case, I have an external link set up to link to the mobile app. Using the mobile app's employee self-service functionality, they will be able to clock in or out, request time off, view their schedule, access historical pay statements, etc. As you can see, the employees will have the ability to access everything that they need in order to accomplish their day-to-day tasks here within their employee self-service portal. With that, we have completed an overview of the employee self-service functionality. Thank you for your time, and please contact us today for more information.